Your Android phone can do way more than you think. And today, I'll show you 10 hidden Android features that most people still don't know about in 2026. So let's start. Number 1. Split Screen Mode. This feature lets you use two apps at the same time. For example, you can watch YouTube on the top while chatting on WhatsApp below. Just open recent apps, tap the app icon, and select Split Screen. Number 2. Screen Recording. Most Android phones already have a built-in screen recorder. You don't need any third-party app anymore. You can record gameplay, tutorials, or video calls directly from the Quick Settings panel. Number 3. Live Caption. This feature automatically creates subtitles for videos and audio playing on your phone. Even if the video has no captions, Android can generate them instantly. Number 4. Nearby Share. Sending files between Android phones is now super easy. Nearby Share works almost like AirDrop on iPhone. You can transfer photos, videos, apps, and documents wirelessly within seconds. Number 5. App Lock. Many Android phones now include built-in app locking. You can protect apps like WhatsApp, Gallery, or Instagram using fingerprint or password for extra privacy. Number 6. Focus Mode. Getting distracted while studying. Focus Mode helps block distracting apps like Instagram, YouTube, or games for a specific time. It's perfect for students and productivity. Number 7. One-handed mode. Big screens can be difficult to use with one hand. One-handed mode pulls the screen downward so you can easily reach everything with your thumb. Number 8. Smart Text Selection. Android can intelligently recognize text, phone numbers, addresses, and links from almost anywhere. You can copy, call, or open maps instantly with one tap. Number 9. Digital Well-Being. This feature shows exactly how much time you spend on apps every day. It also helps reduce screen addiction by setting app timers and sleep reminders. And finally, number 10. Voice typing. Instead of typing long messages, you can simply speak. And Android converts your voice into text almost instantly. It's fast, accurate, and saves a lot of time. So these were 10 hidden Android features you should definitely start using in 2026. Which feature was your favorite? Comment below and follow for more tech videos, AI tools, and smartphone tricks.